Today we're going to talk about elapsed time. So our problem says the 4th grade students at MRI took a trip to a local bakery. They left school at 8:45 a.m. and arrived at the bakery at 9:15 a.m. They left the bakery to return to school at 1:20 p.m. and arrived back at the school by 1:50 p.m. How long did they spend at the bakery? So ultimately, we only want to know how long they spent at the bakery. We don't care about their travel time. So we'll see that they arrived at the bakery, sorry guys, I'm new at this, at 9:15, and they left the bakery at 1:20. So we want to know how much time has passed from 9:15 to 1:20. So there's two ways that we can do this. The first way is called the list method, and the list method is whenever you list out the times and you count on by hours and minutes. So if we say they arrived at 9:15, we will write down 9:15 a.m. and underline our start time. Okay? And our ultimate goal is to get to 1:20. So I know if I add 1 hour, alright, 1H, I will get to 10:15. Well, I can keep doing this, or let me see if I add 2 hours. If I add 2 hours, I won't be at 10:15 anymore, I'll be at 12:15. If I add another hour, I'll get to 1:15, and that's not too far because I want to stop at 1:20. So I'll add one more hour, and I'll get to 1:15. So far I've added 4 hours, and I want to get to 1:20 because that's what time we left. So I will need to add 5 minutes to get to 1:20. And then, now that we've gotten to 1:20, I simply figure out how many hours and minutes that was. So I see it was 1 hour plus 2 hours plus another hour is 4 hours and 5 minutes. So that would be my answer. That is one way to do it. We call this the list way. Another way to do it is the number line way. And so what you would do is you would kind of look like time on a number line. And so we draw our number line, and we'd start at 9:15. And we want to get to 1:20. So it's a matter of seeing how much time do we have to skip, to get to 1:20 on our number line. So I know that if I can count by hours, I can say 9:15, 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15. So I could actually count by hours. I could say 9:15, 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15. This would get me here to 1:15. And this would be an hour, this would be an hour, this would be an hour, and this would be hours. So that would be 4 hours. And then I just need to get from 1:15 to 1:20, which is 5 minutes. So you'll see each way gives us the answer of 4 hours and 5 minutes.